Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. I'm going to bring you a super quick video. It's not going to be a massive long one. I know you guys like these quick videos. We're going to take a look at Harmony. You best believe, because just like you saw that rocket ship, where's it gone? Harmony's price has been skyrocketing. You think about everything that just happened in the last day or so, you know, Harmony just totally disrespected it, didn't care, and it's risen straight back up, setting all highs soon? Maybe soon. I'm looking, I'm looking at the top. We're not far off. I'm going to break it down, give you a little technical analysis. Listen, I know I'm crazy, I know. Show you what I see. I've got price plans, when to take profits on this and whatnots. You guys should be prepared as well. If this sounds interesting to you, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're watching. Before I dive into this, I need to let you know I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my own personal opinions on the market. So please do your further research before you invest your money. If you've missed this stuff, watch it. These top 3 videos here, powerful. Watch them. And this one as well, watch it. But yeah, let's talk about Harmony, because like I said, it's totally been disrespecting or disregarding. Let me say disregarding, because disrespecting is a bit like, yeah, actually, yeah, it's been disrespecting what's been happening over the last day. We saw prices crash. Well, I wouldn't say, well, a mini crash. And if you look at Harmony right now, right down from the crash, right, from as low as it went all the way up to here, we've seen a what? Ross! A 58% increase. It's come down a little bit, but I just want to talk about it. Now, if you watch my channel, I've been showing, especially on my Harmony videos, my analysis, I've been showing you this white line. Let me make it thick. It needs to be thick because I need to express this line. I've been telling you this is the granddad of all lines. It's one of the major trend lines for Harmony, and I'm just zooming right back, take it right back to when Harmony's price came out and stuff, or as far as back as it can go. It says 2019 there on this chart, but have a look. If you look back at 2019, right back at this little segment here, Harmony held good support of this line. Look, it bounced off of it and stuff. This is the granddad line. Whenever it's broken it, it's been a very hard time trying to break back above it. You can see it came to here back in 2020. It got rejected off this granddad line and fell straight back down, and then recently, this was 2021. Recently, we saw it break above. You see it here, March 21, broke above. We saw a little glitch underneath, but it's come back above. And if you take a look at when we had this crash yesterday, look at where it held support off this granddad line. And this is what I'm telling you, this is a significant trend line. I wish I could show you how to draw this up. If you want to, you can, because I'll tell you what, this line's, it's the decider, guys. It tells you what's going to happen with Harmony. If it's above it, good prices ahead. If it's below it, you might see some rejection. But if you want to, you can kind of look at, where am I here? This is December the 17th. 2019. You kind of want to draw a line straight across, let it bounce off the top of this area here where it held resistance, come straight through all this jibber jabber here. That's the only way I can show you how to draw the line, right? And then make it so the support of this crash that we just had yesterday is just bouncing off the line. And that's how you'll get this line, okay? Because I can't think of any other way for you to draw it up. Just on TradingView, right? You just get your little pen thing here, and then you can draw a line like this, right? So, yeah, it looks bullish on every time frame. If we take it to the weekly, you can see here, look, bounced off the this 21-day weekly moving average. You see, it's above the 21 week. We've been bouncing off it. I expect it to ride this like a wave, just like what we saw right back here when it broke it. You see the circle? I've still got the circle drawn. I said this before, I'll tell you again. That's when we broke this 21 week, and look, it's been bouncing off it like a wave. Didn't even touch it here, just rode above it. Apart from that little drop here, underneath we came back above. See down here on my stochastic RSI, I have a price target of when I think it would be a good time to take profits. And this right here, this RSI, I'm waiting for this green to come up into this gold box area. And when it gets to there, I expect Harmony's price to be high and a good time to consider taking some profits. If it goes above this, I'm definitely taking some profits. And if you are a patron of mine, you are going to know exactly when I'm doing this. You're not going to miss it unless you don't have those sell alerts. Guys, now's the time to upgrade if you're there. And if you're new watching, you want to become a patron so you don't miss these alerts. I have 7 tiers. Take your pick. You can click on any video of mine and you'll see the Patreon link right there. Click it. Now is the time to, you know, seriously consider taking this step in becoming a patron. I recommend going for my, you know, what is it, exclusive VIP partner tier. I've got 10% off if you pay annually. So if that's something that you want where you can have it for the year, go for it. Look, just come down here, exclusive VIP partner tier. That's the one you want. It unlocks my buy, my sell, my stake alerts, so you don't miss nothing. Okay. If you want that a little bit more, you can go for my CEO partner tier, which is my super alerts. Haven't even got it up. I should have grabbed it up. Let me see if I can find it in my bookmarks. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to look for it and all sorts. Oh no, that's the wrong thing. Just clicking bloody Evo DeFi. 1 second, I'm just trying to find it in my bookmark. Here we go, super alerts. If you want that little bit more, you can grab my super alert tier, which is my CEO partner tier, have exclusive access to my VIP Telegram group, where I talk to you about things way before I buy, way before I sell, or anything like that. It's a super alert, and that might help you on your journey. We've got 24-hour chat service there, so if you want to start a call, just click the button, make a phone, a phone call. Just start a little chat, and people will be there. You're talking to high-end crypto profile users. It's not a joke. They got some seriously good money, seriously good brains. They know what they're doing. Trust me. So yeah, that's that. Just before I go, let's just take a look at Harmony on this chart here. I've drawn up a Fibonacci retracement from, you know, its highs right down to its lows. And as you can see, I'm using the EMA ribbon for Harmony. And again, take a look at where Harmony dropped down to when we had this crash yesterday. From here, you know, it crashed right down, came just a bit below the EMA ribbons, but look at the support. You know, it came straight back above, and even now, like, even when we tried to drop again, bounced above this yellow line, which is the 20 moving average, and look at this, setting new highs. If it continues to do what it's doing, I seriously think, actually, to be fair, we have to come above here. I want to see a new higher high, and it's round about this 702 on the Fibonacci, which is an important level for Harmony to break. I'm watching this because I believe Harmony's going to come up to this, guys. Harmony's going to come up to, and I'm telling you, I'll show you right now, Harmony's going to come up to around 17 cents. And in 17 cents in British pounds, let me just show you roughly. That's not accurate. It'd be about 12 pence. Let me just do the point, the dot. 0.17. 17 cents, about 12 pence. We're going to see a 12 pence price for Harmony, and that's going to be the test of time, because, you know, I can see some, you know, support, some resistance here in the past. If it can break through this 702 retracement, I expect it to blast up minimum up to here. Well, up to 22 cents, which is again all-time highs, testing it, maybe reach higher, I don't know, but that's what I'm looking. If it can break this, you know, this is a key resistance here, guys, so look out for it. I can see we're getting a little bit of resistance on this 0.618, which is here. You can see this green line. But, you know, so I'm just watching these two areas here to see what happens. Time will tell what happened. But yeah, it's looking super bullish. Again, if we switch this to the weekly time frame, you can see, right? Look, you can see here, it is mega bullish. We've never been in a bear. Even when we had that massive drop back in May, we've never had a bear. It's never been in a bear trend. It's actually remained bullish. Look at the weekly time frame. You don't see no cross in the ribbon. The ribbons are still the same. The only time you see a bearish momentum, let me just change this actually real quick, because I didn't have it on logarithmic. Look, this will make you see it better. It's been super bullish. The only time you've seen it bearish was here. Look, when the yellow is underneath. Look, when the yellow is underneath, this signifies it's, you know, bearish trend. It broke that right back here, and these are weekly candles, guys. So February, you know, and since February we've been in this bullish trend ever since. All it's done is come down, hold support off here, and bounced off it. So let's see what's going to happen. Don't mean to go crazy on you. I'm going to leave it here. Quick update video. I haven't doing any shout-outs, not doing any shout-outs to my patrons. It's just a quick video I wanted to upload everyone so they can see what's going on, you know, prepare for what's to come. Again, if you don't want to miss those when I'm going to be selling, become a patron, because they're going to see it first, okay? But yeah, thank you all for watching, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Cheers! Just scroll down like this, you know, because I ain't doing the shout. Yeah. I can't shout now. I'm talking too much! Just shh! I can't help it. Okay. I can't help it. What am I laughing for? Okay, I'm gone. Cheers, guys. Cheers.